Asha. Yes! Make it welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
You want to really get a new movie? Alright. Check this out. Hotter than the equator. Boss it. So, all the parents of the contestant, make some noise, please. Alright, this is the time to track when you really get a new movie, okay? We go through a lot of struggles, and it goes like this. That if you're sitting on the street and your gunshot a beat, then you know that's how I'm living. Beer coffins and three bodies on the white sheet, and you know that's how I'm living. Come on! Big dance and tweet on and rock into the beat, so you know that's how I'm living. No shoes up on my feet and no food to eat, and you know that's how I'm living. Hard weather, we'll get your youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. Come on! We'll get your youth, defect of the system, cause that's the rebel youth. But more, we'll get your youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. Hey, where the real get your youth, defect of the system, cause that's the rebel youth. Then, many say they are the hard, but me laugh. Never under exercise, who got it off? Quick me out, how much you suffer. Don't know you know about dumpling and butter. Say them traumatized, but me can't say the logic. How many family members you know die tragic? Activity, seeking self-pity. Mama got a real but no making her titty. She has huge, she said why they try the expedition. See if one give the youth them for the nomination. Yet you claim that you're not peacemaker. 30 and a 10 and you turn jeans to paper. We'll get a youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. More. We'll get a youth, effect of the system, cause that's the rebel youth. Come on! We'll get a youth, we know the struggles, we know the truth. More. We'll get a youth, effect of the dash. Cheers! A round of applause, please. Positive lyrics, you know? Because we have to overcome the struggle. So you see right now, I see all the beautiful contestants on the stage, and I tried with a beautiful young lady myself. So make some noise for Butterfly. She's going to give you a positive poetry called What? On stage, Butterfly.
The children are our future, yes, so mothers, fathers, sisters, you know we got to nurture them. Number 6.
Exactly, one go.
Why we keep killing each other, creeping in the dark and raping
dance-off. Can we have her on stage, please? The winner of the dance-off. Where is she?
Number 4, you're requested.
Yes, she's definitely requested. Bring that chair for me, please. Cherry. All right. Yes, so she's making her way. Put it right there. Right.
Hello. Oh, check.
No, you know, you have to set the mood right, you know.
Sure,
you know?
sure.
So that is why the lights dim, because it's the star, the tune. I want you to turn that chair and face the stage, please. Well, you might think that this is a love story, you know? But this is not. We're reaching out to all the mothers. So all the mothers, I want you to make some noise for me, please, again. Make some noise. Because you see, I teach at an high school, you know? So I know what it is. Check this. Start again. Row. On the top. So parents, yeah. The daughter was a real police, right? Even the music man got tricked a while ago. He get tricked a while ago. But this is the first time you're seeing Manja Bless, so I got to show you the diversity. Alright? How's that? Mama, me love you still. Mama, even though I'm a kid. Mama, and I saw it for God. Please, Mama, no make them harm me tomorrow. As if it's yesterday. Took my stuff, Mama, and I went away. Left my baby, Mother, and little Lisa in exchange for a passport and visa. To make it out, Mama, I had to sell drugs, breaking out, Mama, hanging with the dogs. Mama, me I expect you to understand that your boy had to kill a man. Mama, me love you still. Mama, even though I'm a kid. Mama, and I saw it for God. Please, Mama, no make them on me tomorrow. Mama, them lock me in a jail. Mama, them system a fail. Mama, me the nice for weird. Mama, me steal. Mama, you don't get my meal. Them make me eat fish, Mama, with the scales. Them beef, Mama, show me your body. Me not in no feel pain. Mama, me love you still. Mama, even though I'm a kid. Mama, and I saw it for God. Please, Mama, no make them on me tomorrow. From the princess to here, Mama, to electric chair, Mama, more that I care, Mama. So I'm bloody, yes, Mama, love why, Mama. Take care of my child, Mama. You know I'm dying, Mama. I still will cry, Mama, me love you still. Mama, even though I'm a kid. Mama, and I saw it for God. Please, Mama, no make them on me tomorrow.
Give it up. Awesome. Look.
What a wicked mother.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Mommy. Can somebody get the chair for Mommy? All right. Now, one of the sponsors would like to give an award to the contestant that they sponsored. So I'm going to ask that sponsor, please, enter the stage. Representative from Mega Marketing, please join us on stage. Will contestant number 14 enter the stage, please? Give her a round of applause, Chloe Campbell. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to announce the top 5 winners of this evening. And before we do so, we invite Khadijah Briscoe, who is the reigning queen. She's Minimis Portmore 2010, and she will do her final walk. Before that. Give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
This evening has ended a remarkable milestone in my life as Minimis Portmore 2010. I am anticipating what new challenges in life I will have to take on. This special evening not only draws the curtain on me being Minimis Portmore, but is also a declaration of my hard work and a dedication with a lot of commitment. At this point, it is important that I reflect on the tremendous accomplishments that I have made during my reign. Within the last year, it has been some timeless treasuring moments in my life. Volunteering to serve my country by participating in the National Environmental Planning Agency Coastal Cleanup Campaign. Visiting the Glen Hope Children's Home, where I donated clothing with a giving heart and donated books to the Bridgeport Branch Library. This experience of being Minimis Portmore has given me an opportunity not only for the fame, but also to give back to the less fortunate. This evening, as I proudly walk this stage for the very last time, it reminds me that every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. It is with mixed feeling that I will hand over the crown this evening, but I hope the new queen will enjoy her reign as I did. My year would not have been a success without the help of some persons. Thanks for support from the Promotional Links Industries team, my friends, family, and well-wishers. I have successfully made it to the end of the tunnel, representing the title of Minimis Portmore, and I thank you all. Where I step from here is unimaginable, as my future is undetermined. As I make my exit, here are some parting words. We must remember that one determined person can make a significant difference, and a group of determined people can change the course of history. Thank you all, and have a splendid evening.
Round of applause for the reigning Minimis Portmore 2010. Madam, how are you doing tonight?
I'm doing fine.
You okay? One thing that you would say to anyone or any young girl that wants to join this competition.
What I would say to that young girl is that this competition is a very good idea to enter, and it also gives you exposure and builds your self-esteem.
Words from the reigning Minimis Portmore. Ladies and gentlemen, the results are in. Now remember that we have the top 5, and the top 5 will, each person will receive a prize. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, again, let me say, the judge's decision is final. Sportsmanship is the order of the day. And you all need to show that level of sportsmanship so the children can follow. So, without further ado, in 5th place, receiving a gift basket from the Jamaica Biscuit Company. This contestant won sectional prizes before in awareness and the walkathon. We speak of none other than Naishana Strong. 5th place. Gift basket from Jamaica Biscuit Company. In 4th place, Akila Bennett. Receiving a gift basket from Empire Supermarket, Miss Akila Bennett. Fourth position. It's too heavy, you can lay it at your feet, all right? Oh, sorry. Zulu Productions, can you go on the other side, please? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up in 2011, Minnie Miss Portmore. I tell you this much, it was very close, but we have the second runner-up, Miss Asia Barton. Second runner-up. Give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Miss Barton will have to assume duties if the winner and the first runner-up is unable to do so.
Second and up.
Okay, please stand to her left. Stand right beside her, yeah. The first runner-up, who will have to assume duties if the winner is unable to do so, is none other than, beg your pardon? Adriana. A trophy from Promotional Links, a gift basket from Nestle, a gift voucher from Computer Genie, and a gift voucher from Leaderboard. And the second runner-up also received a trophy, a gift voucher from Leaderboard, and a gift basket from Nestle. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner will receive a laptop courtesy of Royal Computers, a gift basket from T. Getty's Grant, a trophy and cash prize from Promotional Links, a gift voucher from Leaderboard, and gold earrings courtesy of Iron Jewelers. Now, I want to thank our sponsors: Sun City Radio, Royal Computers, MDTV, Portmore TV, Breezes Trelawney, Mac Master Center. Ladies and gentlemen, she is 9 years old. Her hobbies include dancing, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like for you to stand and welcome 2011 Mini Miss Portmore, Miss Danisha.
Shy until I see you rise. Still I have to try. Yeah. Oh, yes. Let me get my words right and then approach you. When I treat you like a man is supposed to, you'll never have to cry.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, she's 9 years old. And her ambition is to become a cardiologist. Her mother is a nurse, so she's following mommy's foot. Hey, is it the two of them in a red? 1, 2. Now, the championship trophy will be presented. She couldn't even wait to say it, Jesus. Okay, allow her to walk, gracefully and music. Okay, the championship trophy will be presented by Mr. R.W. James himself. Presented to contestant number 4, Navisha Miller.
Can relate to when they find the
Sponsored by Supreme Medical.
Yeah, so royal.
Will the representative from Royal Computers please make their way to the stage?
So one of a kind.
Remember that the winner will be receiving a brand new laptop and also a thumb drive.
She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need to make up to be a cutie. She's a queen.
And also she has more goodies to get. When I ask the first place trophy. Sing it now.
She's royal. Yeah, so royal. And I need her in my life. I never knew anyone.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So one of a kind.
the representative from Royal Computers is a representative here. All right, I'm going to ask Mrs. James on behalf of the representative to present the laptop to the winner while she makes her way. Ladies and gentlemen, next year, the prizes will be bigger and better. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for coming out. Promotional links, Mini Miss Portmore 2011, Miss Navisha Miller, 9 years old. Give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
I know that are trying, but she needs to be gold and wine and dine because she's royal, yeah, so royal, and I want her in my life. I never know anyone so
Okay.
the way she moves.
Now, as the Queen makes her final walk across the stage,
Of a queen, so supreme. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen, so supreme. Yeah. And when they ask what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal.
Miss Portmore 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, give all the contestants a round of applause. They are all winners tonight. Yeah, DJ. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a pleasure. My name is VJ Mystery, and accompanying me is the beautiful Navisha James. Thank you all for coming, and we all say good night. Peace.